today we're going to do what should be a short video on the SD card installation in the AlienRider M2 Pro. So I picked up another SD card. They recommend the SanDisk, so that's what I got. It's a 128 gigabyte card. You can go up to 256 gigabyte in this unit. So obviously the bigger your SD card, the more video you're going to be able to store on the unit. So I have the unit off. It's set up for testing here on my workbench, powered off. Grab the blue handled screwdriver out of the toolkit that they provide for you. And you'll see here on the bottom, there's a panel with 3 fasteners, 3 Phillips head screws that hold the cover in place. So pretty simple. We're just going to take these out. And remove the cover. Okay, so just get a fingernail underneath there. And here you'll see the ports. So you have 2 ports, one for the SD card and one for the USB for debugging, maybe firmware upgrades. This should do over-the-air upgrades, or you could do them on the SD card, I believe. But if you need any kind of USB connection, or you need to do anything with a USB connection, the port's there. So we'll pop out the micro SD card out of the adapter. And let's see here. So it looks like the pins are towards the screen. So we'll slide this in with the connector facing that direction. Nope, actually that was wrong. So the pins are going to be away from the screen. Okay, there we go. So pins away from the screen, so you want to have those towards the back of the unit, and then give it a little push till you hear it click, and then your SD card is inserted. So now the cover, I mentioned this in another video, it actually has these nice little waterproof plugs. Instead of an O-ring, it gives you a full plug with 2 sealing rings, 2 kind of ribs, if you will, to seal the unit against water. So we'll pop those back in there. Get our screws back in. I'll load all these up here. Get them all started. Don't have to go crazy on these. Just get them snug, tight enough they don't want to work out. And boom, we're done. So now I'm going to power up the unit. I have this unit connected to a 12 volt power supply that I have here on the desk. So you can come in a little bit. Okay, so it said TF-car loading failed. Format or replace the card. So obviously this card hasn't been loaded. So we'll clear the TPMS sensor faults. It just went to the CarPlay because I have my phone nearby. We'll exit out of there. We're going to go into the configuration and then the format. Okay, it gave me an abnormal. Let's click confirm and see if it'll go through the formatting. Okay, formatted successfully. Okay, so these are the recommended brands. So now we can go into storage info, and there we see the storage capacity. And also, obviously, if you don't have a card in there, you're not going to store video. Your cameras will be active, but you won't have any video. The video won't be saved. So let's get out of here and go back here. And, whoop, no, wrong spot. So playback. So it stops recording, and we should have a video file where it started recording when we booted up the unit. And there it is. So everything's good. Pretty easy. Let's get out of here. Back. And that's it. There you have it. Installation of SD card.